Vaults, manholes, storage tanks, and sewers are but a few examples of workplace environments that are deemed confined spaces and thus considered highly dangerous. In the U.S. alone, some 200,000 companies hold permits for more than 2.2 million confined spaces, many of which will be entered at some point in time. The odds of accidental death from a confined space entry are high. A recent study reported 173 fatalities from 122 confined space incidents over a 3-year period. Con-Space Communications has worked intently for the last 18 years to reduce these fatal incidents by providing an intrinsically safe-approved, rugged, and portable hardline intercom system. Our waterproof, dust-tight hardline gear guarantees users full duplex communication when entering a confined space. This means entrants are in constant contact with the rescue team, subject matter experts, and emergency help. The Con-Space hardline gear has been adopted by rescue workers worldwide because of 3 key advantages: robust design, protection for the rescue worker, and less time spent inside the confined space. The bottom line, more controllable, safer, faster rescues. The Con-Space Rescue Hardline kits are portable and easy to deploy. They do not rely on two-way radio transmissions that fail in most confined space entries. Rescuers equipped with our hardline gear can quickly and easily establish communications with the victim by using the Power Talk box to assess the victim's condition from outside the confined space. Ambient sounds can be heard through the Power Talk box, alerting rescue teams to potential hazards inside the space.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Confined
I can hear
space
you.
workers can use the Power Talk box to communicate hands-free with their attendant while performing duties. In the case of a conscious victim rescue, the Power Talk box can be positioned to provide communication with the victim while the entry teams are gearing up. The Power Talk box can also be used by the entry team leader or incident commander as a secondary means of monitoring the entry team's communications. Once the entry team is deployed, team members use throat microphones and ear speakers to stay in contact. Proper placement of the throat microphone ensures good voice quality and limits the amount of background noise heard. The ear speaker is used to provide a constant level of audio without interface from environmental noise. The Con-Space Face Mask Speaker is 100% compatible with all of the current respiratory masks on the market today. The CSI 2100 Command Module is the communications hub for the system. This unit will allow full duplex communication for up to 7 users, similar to a telephone conference call. The attendant outside the space has full control over volume and can use the double splitter microphone switch to select which entry team microphones are live. The standby team can be set to listen only, which allows each member to stay fully up to speed with all the particulars of the entry should backup be necessary. One of the major benefits of constant open communications is line management. Outside team support staff can feed or retrieve lines to the entry team without relying on line pulls for attention. The retrieval line, communications cable, and air hose can all be packaged together to form a single umbilical. There are a number of optional umbilical covers and cable reels available to assist with line management. In the event of changing outside conditions, the team can be notified of issues immediately. Warnings of equipment failures in ventilation or air supply can be relayed to the entry team instantaneously, and safe evacuations can take place much faster. This constant communication has many other benefits. The outside team can provide feedback to solve or mitigate issues as they arise. Patient information can be relayed to medical personnel well in advance of the team's exit from the space, and technical experts can help analyze problems and make repair suggestions. None of this would be possible without reliable communications. The Con-Space hardline gear is so versatile, it can be used for high-angle, structural collapse shoring, and trench rescue as well. The Con-Space hardline is the original hardline communication system. Time-proven, reliable, field-tested, and easy to use. First responders rely on the hardline to save lives.